thought this was an hilarious question. Neil, I am broke, but want to make my website look nice. I need free stuff. So I thought it'd be kind of cool to show you some free stuff that you can do for your website. You guys want to see that? Some free website stuff? All right, so I'm going to give you a link. And this has got send to all. By the way, one tab will save your life and your sanity when you're working and doing heaps of shit on your computer. One tab saves your life. It's just awesome. I use it all the time. All right. So I'm going to go through these really quickly for you, but these are just the things that I tend to use heaps, okay? So this one is coolers.co, and I use this because I am not at all great with colors and things like that. My skills lie in other things. I can make a plate of food look really good, for instance, but when it comes to generating colors, I ain't so good. So I use this coolors.co to come up with color palettes for websites. Super important that you do that. Everything I do now, I use coolors.co to put together a good palette for it. It's a really great thing, okay? A soft murmur. This is not really a great thing for your website, but it's something cool that I use all the time anyway. When I'm doing coding and doing programming and shit like that, I use this, asoftmurmur.com. It's really, it just gives you really nice background music, send to all. Okay, just really lovely background, kind of ambient sounds, all right? Super nice. Photopea. This is a really great website. So most photo designers and graphic designers work with Adobe Photoshop. When you get an Adobe Photoshop file given to you by your graphic artist, it will be what's called a PSD file. And to open that, typically you need Adobe Photoshop, which is expensive. So here is a free and also extremely good, I love using this, free version of Adobe Photoshop. It's really intuitive. It hasn't clearly got all of the crazy shit that Adobe does, but for what we do, you don't need all that crazy shit. This will give you heaps and heaps and heaps of cool stuff that you can do it. By the way, you can also add your own image metadata using this too, okay? So that's Photopea. Super cool. Noun project. All right, so somebody give me a very random word to search for. So what this does, while you're giving me a random word, what this does is it gives you icons. So heaps and heaps of times now you will see on great websites that they've got all these little icons that they use to make the website look really pretty and really effective, and usually you have to pay for all that shit, and that sucks, okay? Llama, says Mr. Oliver. Good idea, sir. Let's try searching for llama. Murray, you're so rude. There you go. So now we've got all sorts of llama icons that we can use. And this is all free, by the way. Bubbles, says Ange. Let's search for bubbles. Murray said something very rude that I'm not putting on here. Here you go, some bubbles. So this is all great. Free, by the way. Icons for all sorts of cool shit that you can do on your website. Again, I use this heaps, okay? It's called the nounproject.com. Images. So lots of people struggle with images, and images are one of the things that you can end up spending a fortune on. However, Unsplash is where you can get all of that stuff for free. So I use Unsplash heaps for great images that I need. Here you go. This is all free. Free. So it's like stock photos, basically. Unsplash, really good. The other one that I also use before I show you DeepL is Pexels. So Pexels and Unsplash are both really good for giving you free stock photos. There you go, look. Super cool. Okay, so they will make your website look really, really pretty. Next one I'm going to give you is this, which is DeepL. Most people, when it comes to translating things into other languages on their website, use Google Translate. Google Translate, though, is good up to a point, but it doesn't give you natural sounding translations. It gives you very professional. So if you're an Aussie, you know, we wouldn't say good morning, fine sir. We'd say good day, mate. It gives you that, you know what I mean? So DeepL gives you much more casual translations in actual language that people use, rather than that kind of Google Translate, good morning, fine sir, gives you that. Okay, so DeepL, really, really good when you want to translate some shit on your website. Last one, and this is not really one, it's just one that I really, really like. GetHuman.com. So if you are ever struggling with any software that you're using, including Amazon, by the way, and you want to just talk to somebody, like, freaking hell, I want to just talk to somebody. How can I talk to somebody? Then you can just come in, type in what you need, and it will give you the customer service number to talk to somebody, instead of dicking about going through all of their different things. Okay, so Etsy the same. Gives you Amazon too. Let's do Amazon. So if you ever need Amazon customer service, I know we all do that every now and again for sure. There you go. Customer service at Amazon. There you go. So that's pretty cool, don't you reckon? So I use those all the time. So they're really, really good. A really good way of using some great free tools that will elevate your website. These aren't really great for Amazon per se, but for your website, there's some really, really good tools. Okay. What about emojis for Amazon? All right. So the best one for emojis for Amazon is at it's at Keywords Advantage. Keywords Ad. Oh, there it is. So if you're ever wanting to do emojis for your Amazon listing, I'll give you this one. That's not on that sheet I just gave you, so you'll have to get this from here. Send to all. So Keywords Advantage /emoji. And you can use these, all of these emojis you can use in your Amazon listing. So these have all been tried and tested for Amazon. And actually, they're all the right, what's called an ANSI character for Amazon as well. So you can put them in your listings, you can put them in your bullet points, you can put them in your title. Be careful with title, but yeah, it will go in all of those different places, okay? There you go. Oh, here's the one from Rosie. I'm going to give everybody this one too. We should start a document, shouldn't we? Here's one from Rosie. Send to all. There you go. So just be mindful with this that you're getting it in the right place. You're getting it from the right place. All of that one I've just shown you, they all work for Amazon, okay? They all work for Amazon. What else? Oh yeah, convert documents. There you go. Sorry, thanks you that, Stefano. I almost missed this one. Okay, so this will, if you are ever doing a text description for your description on your Amazon listing, for instance, and you are using a Word document to write your Amazon description, and then you want to take what's on your Word document and put it into a format that Amazon can use, this is what you should use to do that. So you should take whatever you've written in Word and then put it into here, and it will strip out all of the Word characters and the little macros that Word uses and shit like that, so that you can use it on your Amazon listing. Really, really cool. It's called Word to Clean HTML, and it will just clean it all up and convert it into very, very clean HTML for you, and then you can use that. So that's a Word to Clean HTML. And again, here are all of those. Thank, send to all. So you've now got all of them. There you go. Bump, bunk, dunk. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.